Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel, where here is all about fun, food, and family. Bow, 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 bow. Okay, you guys, today I am making homemade pizza. Homemade pizza, yes, we're gonna do the homemade crust, and I'm gonna do it right here with you all. And we're gonna cook it on our everything maker. Yeah, I love this thing because I want to travel with this thing if I'm doing my little camping. If y'all know, camping channel down in the description box below. But yes, I wanna see if this thing can hold up to any and everything that I want to make. So we're using the everything maker, making the pizza. So come on, let's get with it. And in a bowl. And the two pizzas we're gonna make the bacon barbecue pizza with monster cheese. Monster cheese. I have never used monster cheese in making pizza. I have used cheddar, I have used Kobe Jack, I have used mozzarella, but never monster cheese. So today we're trying that. And the other pizza we are going to make a pineapple, somewhat Hawaiian style pizza. But baby, we're going to have pepperoni, we're going to have bacon, we're going to have, what else? Pepperoni, bacon, pineapples, onions, and jalapenos. Jalapenos with the red Italian sauce that I made homemade. If you want that recipe, make sure you comment it below. So let's get with it and making the dough, because we got to do that. You're gonna need flour, you're gonna need sugar, you're gonna need salt, you're gonna need olive oil, and you're gonna need warm milk. Then you're gonna need 2 packs of yeast. Got our milk nice and warm, and we're gonna add that fast rising yeast. Just sprinkle it on top. And next we're just going to stir. Get that yeast activated. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next we need 4.5 cups of flour. We're going to use 4 cups in the bowl and set 1/2 cup to the side. And the other 1/2 cup we're going to sit to the side when we get ready to roll the dough. We need that so it won't do no sticking. Next, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, next we're going to mix that together. Get that all sifted. Okay, you guys, look at the yeast. It has been activated. See how foamy it look at the top? That's what you want. That's what you need. Pour it in the middle of that. All of it. Get all that active yeast. We're going to use a spatula and fold that flour into the active yeast until it forms into a ball. Now it's time to really do the hard work. I got my rolling pin, I got my hand, and I got extra flour. Now it's time to knead the flour. So let's get with it. Just roll it back and forth. If the dough feel like it's getting sticky and sticking to your hands, make sure you just add more flour. Not too much. Oh yeah, baby, this dough feel nice. And you want to do this for about 5 minutes. And we're gonna tuck and roll the dough. A little oil, just a little. Cover this and put it in a dark place for about 20 to 30 minutes so it can rise. We want it to be double in size, at least that. It's been 30 minutes. Let's look at it. Yes, double in size. That's what you want. Let's cut it because this is for 2 pizzas. Put one back in the bowl until we get to it. Let's roll this sucker out. Perfect. Kind of pinch that together. Ooh. Okay, now we got the pizza dough. Now we're gonna let this cook, pre-cook. Remember, pizza dough, you always want to pre-cook your pizza dough when you're making fresh homemade pizza dough. So we're gonna pre-cook it and we'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm so excited and I just can't, wow. Let's close it up. Okay, you guys, it's been 5 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Let's make this pizza. I'm loving this already. Now, this is the barbecue bacon pepperoni monster pizza. So let's first add the sauce, barbecue sauce. I'm using Ray's. Okay, we're gonna, baby, this bread is done. This pizza bread is done. Homemade bacon. Well, not homemade, but you know, I cooked it in the oven and chopped it up. Some pepperoni. Yeah, just a few. Do you put your meat first or your toppings first, then your cheese? Or you put your cheese first, then your toppings? Monster cheese. So, baby, this is even better. Because, baby, we're going to lay a slice here, a slice here. Okay. Now, let's close it up. That's it. Now, let's make sure it didn't burn. Okay, it's not burnt. See, the bottom, it's brown. Bacon barbecue monster pizza in my everything maker. Okay, baby, let's get it up out of there. Ooh, let's cut into it. Let's cut into it. Y'all, it smells so good in here. It smells like we're in Italy. Wow, wow. Smell like we in Italy. Wow, wow. I just can't hide it. I know. Woo. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to eat this. Woo. 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 Look at that. Look at the dough, homemade dough, monster cheese, bacon, and barbecue sauce. Y'all, this is too hot to eat. Ooh. I'm gonna be like a lot of these YouTubers when they eat and be scalding their mouth, and I'll be just talking about them. Like, their mouth are burnt off. Oh. Oh. Look at the bottom. That's not bad, right? That's not burnt. It don't taste burnt at all. And it's crispy. Baby. Yeah, that's good. Now, hype me up. Hype me up. I gotta hype me up. Press that hype button. In the comment section, when you hit the like button, the hype pop up. If not, slide it and hype me up, y'all. This is so good. Okay, y'all. Ooh, it's hot. Let's move to my Hawaiian pizza.
Pro.
This is my homemade tomato sauce. If you want the recipe, comment it below. So we got onions, we got green bell peppers, we got jalapenos, we have bacon. We have, did I say pepperoni? Bacon, and the star of it all. Yeah, pepperoni, pineapple. Pineapple, y'all. We're gonna close it up and we'll be back probably in what, 10 minutes? Let's give it 10. Okay, y'all. The loaded stuffed crust Hawaiian pizza is done. Only thing I can say that I like the way it cooked the crust, perfect, the pizza overall. But it do cook a little faster at the bottom, and I wish it would have kind of browned the top part of it. Like some parts are a little brown, but hey. And the bottom is real brown. I'm gonna show y'all. See? Ooh, look at that! Let's cut it, y'all. Remember stuffed crust. Y'all think we're gonna have a ooey gooey pool? A ooey gooey pool. Y'all, the crust is perfect. Woo! Oh, look at the cheese in the inside, y'all. Ooh, there you go. Look at the cheese in the inside, the stuffed crust. Oh. That's good, y'all. Ooh, I'm scared to bite the stuff. My kind of pizza with onions, bell pepper, jalapeno pepper, bacon, pepperoni, and yours truly, pineapple.